Hello and welcome to my English video lessons. Today we're going to learn about a pronunciation tip which will greatly help you understand IELTS listening and also talk more fluently in English. When a word ends in a consonant sound plus t and the next word starts with a consonant sound, then we often don't pronounce the t or d. For example, in a sentence, best friend, the word best ends in a consonant plus t sound and the next word starts with a f, which is a consonant sound. So to make it sound more fluent and natural, we should remove the t and say best friend. Yusuf is my best friend. Here are some more examples with and without t or d in English sentences. Can you hold my books for a moment? Can you hold my books for a moment? Naushin is the first girl of our class. Naushin is the first girl of our class. I didn't notice she was here. I didn't notice she was here. We can also apply the same trick at the end of a syllable when t or d sound comes in between two consonant sounds. So handsome becomes handsome. Friendship becomes friendship. Postcard becomes postcard. Okay. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Happy learning.